In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make great Instagram Reels with Canva. By the end, you'll know how to start with the right canvas. Edit your clips, add eye-catching text and elements, sync everything to music and export a polished reel ready to post. First, open Canva and search for Instagram Reels. This pulls up thousands of vertical templates already sized to 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is the standard 916 AM format Instagram expects. Choose a template that matches your vibe, or start with a blank design if you want full control. Templates are a huge time saver because the layout, color pairings, and font choices are already tuned for mobile viewing. If you are using brand colors or a specific style, tweak the template right away, so everything stays consistent as you build. Next, bring in your footage. You can upload your own videos or browse Canva's built-in stock library for clips that support your message. Drag your footage onto the canvas or timeline. Then trim by pulling the clip edges to keep only the best moments. Crop to reframe the subject and rotate if a clip was shot at an odd angle. If you are combining multiple clips, keep the pacing tight and place your strongest shot up front to hook viewers quickly. Quick, purposeful edits help viewers stay engaged all the way through. Now add text and visual elements to reinforce your story. Use the text placeholders in your template or insert new headlines and captions. Keep fonts legible and high contrast so they're easy to read on small screens. Animate your text with simple effects like fade or slide to add movement without overwhelming the visuals. In the Elements tab, search for animated graphics, stickers, and icons that enhance key moments. Use them sparingly and align them with your visual hierarchy, letting the main subject stay the focus. To smooth out your edit, add transitions between clips. Subtle options work best on Reels and prevent the video from feeling choppy. Then choose music that fits the mood. With Beat Sync, Canva can align your cuts to the rhythm automatically, giving your reel a professional feel. Adjust the music volume so it supports your visuals without overpowering any on-screen text. When you are happy with the result, download your project as a high-resolution MP4 to maintain clarity on mobile. From there, upload directly to Instagram or schedule your post from the Canva dashboard to save time and stay consistent. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.